Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on a website or computer. While Clash Royale is a fantastic mobile game, many players enjoy the experience on a larger screen. We'll explore two main approaches: using Android emulators and considering cloud gaming services. This guide will help you set up your game, offering a new way to enjoy your favorite battles and climb the leaderboards with ease. One common method involves using an Android emulator. Programs like BlueStacks or Nox Player create a virtual Android environment on your computer. First, download and install your preferred emulator from its official website. Once installed, launch the emulator, sign in with your Google account, and then navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for Clash Royale and install it just as you would on a phone, typically requiring about 100 megabytes of storage. Another exciting option is exploring cloud gaming services. These platforms allow you to stream games directly to your web browser without needing to install a full emulator. While not all services support mobile-specific titles like Clash Royale, some may offer solutions. You'll need a reliable internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or more, to ensure a smooth, lag-free experience. This approach can be great for those with less powerful computers. Playing Clash Royale on a computer offers several benefits, including a larger display and the option for keyboard and mouse controls, which some players find more precise. Remember to ensure your computer has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a decent processor for optimal performance. Always download emulators or cloud gaming clients from their official websites to ensure security. Enjoy your battles on the big screen and dominate the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.